Should I bet you that $50 that I knew would win?
No, President Trump's still winning.
Hi.
Oh. Control your breathing. It's my feet that are hurting the most.
This kid thinks it's funny to go out in the snow barefoot.
Hey guys, I'm just at my apartment in Norway. As you can, the background changed. No one's gonna believe me now.
Your hands burning yet?
Woohoo! Alright, we gotta get out of the snow.
Caleb!
So, it was easy. It wasn't even cold.
Whatever.
Who says us in Texas are wimps when it comes to the cold? I challenge anyone from the north to do what I just did. I want to go on a run. Happy Christmas.
How does it feel to be snow in Texas?
I think it feels great to be snow in Texas. Is that a Hunger Games reference?
Heiko? Heiko, do you like the snow? Average day farmer making his cuppa.
Cup of Joe. Is that what coffee is?
Uh-huh.
Joe. See that picture? My wife did that picture for me.
So it's not an early morning, but it's a good one. Say hi, Echo. Yeah. Caleb woke up at 2 a.m. and he couldn't go back to sleep, so he's in there sleeping right now. And I slept in and I had my quiet time, but he went on a run this morning. It's like 27 degrees. But I just felt like videoing this morning because Jesus is just teaching me that there's so much freedom in resting in Him. You know, waking up with no condemnation. Just waking up to live free, you know? Say hi, Echo.
Katya got. What's in the box?
Package. My phone. My new phone.
And which phone is that?
We're making waffles. FedEx truck pulls up, bringing my. Oh, I got a purple iPhone 11. I've been with my phone for 4 days.
Really?
It's been great.
What happened to your phone?
It broke. Do you want to see it? We're making waffles.
Let me get a good shot of that. Ooh!
This is the phone that I did. Glass. The screen disconnected from the back part.
Opening the iPhone 11. Okay.
Shout out to Visible.
Yeah, she's switching to visible.
That looks nice.
Yeah, and just so y'all know, Katya is switching from an iPhone 7?
Yeah, I said that.
Yeah, so it's crazy.
Jinx.
Jinx. In the hood.
Chow time.
Chow time.
Juicy peanutty. Oh my gosh.
Oh, sorry. I need syrup.
This will be a good shot.
So, how do I have 2 forks?
It's mine.
I got nervous.
What are you doing, Caleb?
About to go run a mile.
What are you doing?
Say hi,
Hi. Hi.
I'm going to bed.
Nine.
I was calling 50-cent leads. What?
What?
And I booked 4 appointments, so I have 6 meetings
Oh, wow.
for this weekend.
Wow, just this weekend?
Well, 5 for this weekend and then 1 on Monday so far.
Nice. Do you see something new?
A pillow?
Grab it.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Is this the same thing that you made?
Yeah.
It's the same?
Yeah.
So how'd you get it onto a pillow?
I made the pillow.
Oh, okay.
I got the material and sewed that.
Good job, Katya.
Thank you. I'm proud of it. It's cute.
Yes, that's amazing.
I don't know what's happening.
What did you say?
Why didn't take a picture of me?
Is this a video? It is a video.
I'm gonna be more consistent with my 1 second a days.
A Christmas present. When I was younger.
I'm the field underwriter in the Forest Hill area that's just been asked to verify what you put down, just so that I can get the options worked up and get them out to you.
Okay, this wouldn't be a good time. Actually, on a Zoom meeting, I didn't know who this was.
Oh, really?
So, you could call me when it works out.
I don't usually let the sink get this full, but yeah, because I think that it's a good habit to like fully clean up after each meal. But lately, I've just been, I don't know, just living more and worrying about cleaning less, which has actually been really good for me. But so I figured I would just show you guys, you know, typical chore life of me, Katya as a wife, and yeah, it's just been a slow Saturday morning. Caleb's been making calls, booking meetings. I watched a live stream this morning where they were doing a little bit of like watercolor tutorial, like painting thing on Instagram, which was actually really fun, relaxing, and had some coffee and some banana bread that Caleb's mom made us. It was so delicious. And yeah, life is good. Probably start editing this video soon. So, pretty excited about that. First vlog in the books. Really, honestly, just doing this completely for fun and creativity reasons. When my phone was broken, I didn't have a phone for like 4 days, and just got to spend a lot of time like reflecting and praying, and I really was inspired to be more creative again, like from when I was a child. Don't know who that was. But I used to doodle all the time. I would just take random pictures with my camera. I would do little weird projects like painting or like embroidering, and I just got really inspired to pick my camera up and vlog, and I think it's going to be a super fun little thing for me to keep in habit. I've been like reducing my phone time a lot less because I saw the benefits of me not having it at all. I felt no pressures of like the outside world to keep in connection with anyone because I literally couldn't. I couldn't even look at like the calendar that I had on my phone of things that were coming up, which was a little stressful, I suppose, but it honestly took a weight off my shoulders. It really did. It cleared my mind. I didn't have as much to think about. And yeah, so this week I've embroidered something with Aubrey at her house. Thanks, Aubrey. And then I made it into a pillow. So that's cute. That's fun. And I've been just videoing parts of our life, a little bit of friends, a little bit of family. And I doodled an incredible amount as well. I'll have to put a little clip of that in there. But anyways, the dogs are freaking out because there's people walking down the street. So, well, you know, focus.
Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are another day, just hanging out, doing our thing. Another day, another vlog. Making rings.
Oh
You know how
yeah.
it is.
Mary with the spoon, Aubrey with the spoon.
Mine's not a spoon ring, it's a knife ring because I'm different.
Oh, special girl.
Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to see how our spoon rings.
Our spoon rings. How do you do a thumb ring? Should I keep this one as a thumb ring? You know, if my future husband is watching, I am a size 6.
house, but today I drove through the suburbs, crying 'cause you weren't around. I know we were perfect, but and then she goes real hard. Why?
I need to watch that again. High School Musical, the musical. Welcome back to the channel.
Are you recording?
You should just put them
Hey
all
guys,
together.
welcome back to my channel. Right now we're discussing chopping off Mary's hair. Subscribe,
We are
comment,
doing.
like to see what happens.
Oh.
Holy
Mamma mia.
Oh, can we leave this under? Frank?
What's his head?
I don't know what to do with this. I don't want it.
You just throw it away or you burn it.
It's scary to still do it, even
Or
though I've already done it.
Or
Where's
you.
the trash?
It's like, I just did it. Friendship.
Oh
Because
my
we had just watched.
Oh yeah, this
Rock.
is the move.
Yeah, this is the move.
Oh my god.
Wow, it makes you look like different.
Different. Good different.
Like different.
You look like Betty White.
Not what I was gonna say.
9 years old.
Ew.
We drank juice. We were creative. We hugged each other. We're just like so into.
We made our own jewelry.
With our bodies. I just did Mary's.
I have ever felt.
Hey, I am from Made with Melanin. Happy New Year. We're looking for brand ambassadors who support BLM.
It looks so good, David. David. I cannot stop talking like that. It's a problem.
I don't know why, but I feel like with this haircut, I just have to make this face. You know what I mean?
I love how.
Did you do it?
Wait, I gotta get my sweat off.
Now she's undressing.
Anyways, peace out. Hope you like this video. I hope it's entertaining. It's really just for me, kind of. Just to be creative. Have fun.